Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to do a little review on the BougeRV or BougeRV refrigerator, 30 quart car refrigerator. Has a compressor, and the EcoFlow River Pro solar battery. So what I did is I charged up the battery, and we're going to see how long it lasts, and I'm going to bring it down to freezing temperature and see how long it lasts. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, everyone, I'm going to do a little test here for you. This is what we're going to take on our trip across Canada. It's a BougeRV fridge compressor. It's a 30 quart, and then I have the EcoFlow Pro, and I'm going to see how long the EcoFlow Pro will run the refrigerator in case we had no power at all. I also have a solar panel that comes with the EcoFlow to recharge as on the road if we stop somewhere, do a quick charge. Also, you can charge it off the 12-volt battery in the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it all in, and then we'll see how long it runs just on the EcoFlow Pro. So the time right now is 12:02, and we're at 100%, and I shall turn on the output for the fridge, and then pull this down, turn it on. It's at 72 degrees. I guess that's the ambient temperature. And what I'll do is let's get it. Right now it's in Fahrenheit. I'll change it later, but of course 32 degrees is freezing. So if I go down, let's say 25 degrees for now, we'll see how long it will last on that. So right now the fridge is drawing 39 watts. And it says 22 hours right now. But once it's up to temperature, anyways, we'll just see how that works. Let's go to max, econo. We'll leave it on max for now. Anyways, we'll get back to you when it's at temperature, and then we'll carry on from there. It's starting to go down. I changed it over to centigrade because that's what we use here, or Celsius. That's what we use here in Canada. And it started at 22, and now it's at 21. So it's working. I think I have it set to -4 or -5. Okay, so it's 12:31, less than half an hour or 29 minutes, and we're down to 0 degrees Celsius, which would be 30 degrees Fahrenheit, in 29 minutes. When it was about 5 degrees, I put in a couple of glasses to see which side freezes and which side doesn't. So, and we still have how much on? It says we got 15 hours. It's drawing 48 watts, and that's with it compressor on. So I wonder how much it'll draw when the compressor goes out. Anyways, we'll get back to you later. So it's 12:43 now. So it would be what? 42 minutes, and it reached -5 degrees. when the compressor goes on, it's not even drawing any power. So as long as you leave the lid closed, it should last quite a while. That's pretty good, -5 degrees in 42 minutes. And we'll just let it run now, see how long it will run on the EcoFlow Pro. And probably open it up once or twice to check the water inside. But so far, pretty good. I'm impressed that it doesn't use any power when the compressor is off. So I decided to put it to the max, so I set it for -22 degrees Celsius at 12, what time is it? 12:46. Of course, this is starting to go again. It only draws like 40 watts while the compressor's in, which I think is excellent. So I just want to see how fast and how cold it will get. So far, it's very impressive. Yeah, I decided to change it to -10. I don't think we have to go any below that to freeze anything. And it's 13:02, an hour since it's been on. And it says we have 15 hours left if it's going to run 45 watts per. That's pretty good. But it's on 60 hertz. 50 hertz. Gotta put that to 60. Oh, 50 hertz. Probably auto sensing. That's good as it goes to locking when you don't input anything for a while. 4%, 5 hours left. So I would say it'll go for a good 15 hours. So I'm going to end this test. I mean, it's been going at -9, it'll go to -10, shut off. But overall, I'm really pleased with the setup. So, like I said, it's the BougeRV 30qt, and this is the EcoFlow River Pro.
I'm sorry, I just can't.
It's I'd just like to say, I bought all these on my own. They weren't given to me or anything like that, so this is my honest opinion. I really think it's a good setup. We're going to be using it for traveling in the car, and while we're driving, we'll be able to charge it off the 12 volts of the car as well. So it'll last indefinitely while we're heading out. So we're stopped. There's no problem running off the EcoFlow for overnight, and then a recharge during the day while we're driving. Anyways, I highly recommend this little fridge. It really works good. I put in some ice, some water, and they're frozen solid. It's that one.
Something will show up.
And that one.
It's not that crazy.
Solid ice. Anyways, I'm just going to let that run overnight, let it run down and then recharge the
What are you talking
EcoFlow
about?
Pro. Good little solar generator. And of course I've got my
Just chaos.
panels here from EcoFlow.
Heck, look around. Just put a man in the earth.
110 watts. So first stop for the day or something like that, just plug it in and charge her up.
Turn it on the end.
So that's my take on this. I hope you enjoyed it. And not much more I can say about it, but I'm really pleased with it so far. Oh, and I also charged my phone off it. It's got the fast charge USB, two USB A's, and the USB-C at 100 watts. A little dark in here. That's it for now. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock in the morning and it's just about finished. 1% left. 12 minutes. So it's been going for 17 hours on a full charge. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. I'd say that's pretty good. 17 hours. And 11 minutes left. So, in conclusion, works pretty good. I just had to get up and it's 5 o'clock. Well, the test is completed now, and I woke up early this morning about 5 o'clock and it was still going. It was only had a minute left, I think. So that's 5, plus 12. That's 17 hours it ran, and that was I started at ambient temperature, so it was 22 degrees Celsius here, and it kept at minus 10 degrees Celsius for the duration. I think that's pretty good. 17 hours on a small solar generator that's I think it's 720 watts of power. Anyways, I really like it. I think it's going to do us well on our trip across Canada to keep things cold, and just an overall good setup. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Till the next time. Bye.